This is the easiest way to keep your condenser clean and make it last longer. Here's just a cover from Amazon. They're usually all under 50 bucks. And this is great for winterization to keep snow and dirt and other things out. It's super easy to put on. There's just a little clip here that's going to go behind everything coming out of your house. And now I've got it clipped on here, as you can see. And this just makes sure it doesn't blow anywhere when the wind comes. And another thing I do is sometimes I'll stick a mouse trap or poison underneath there, because mice will get underneath there and then it'll help keep the population down. This is where the fuse is. You can come out, pull this up, and you're going to pull this fuse out and just turn it upside down. This just makes sure your AC doesn't turn on while it covers on there. And then you just close that up. And then the last final thing you're going to do is go inside and you're going to turn off the breaker. Thank you, and we'll see you all next time.